big piece.
What are you doing, Jack? Are you learning to eat with a fork? Look at that. Right to the mouth. Whoa, what a good boy.
This didn't take much learning.
Yeah, Mommy, well, likes to eat. Jack, how is that? Is that good, huh?
Chew it up.
What?
Okay.
Here comes another one. Look up here.
No, 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 no.
Good boy. Look
You
how
want
he's
it?
using a fork. Look at that. What a big boy.
Thanks. Let's put some French fry on there.
Jack. Oops. Oh, boy, look at that. Push it in. Good boy.
No. There's nothing on there. Let me put something on there. Thank you. Go ahead. Yum. Hole in one. I'll take it. I'll take it. Chew it up good. Chew, 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 chew. Here we go. You want to take it? I'll leave it on there. Good. Good boy. Maybe next we'll try spaghetti. Can I have? No. Oh no.
Okay,
No.
that's the end of the video. You threw your fork away. Now we have to bend over.